Meat for today, guys, is accumulating after the major drop. So this is normal. We have a huge pullback for Beyond Meat lately, almost 42% because we did almost 80%. So this is normal. And now is accumulating over the 78. Before we go further and discuss this one, guys, remember we did a really nice trade today for one of the stock that had earnings is A&M did 20% today after huge earnings. We discussed this one once the price was around the 188.85. We always do this update before the earnings, and of course for day trade and swing trade stocks. The link in comment section below, guys, if you want to join our community. And of course, right now we have 50% discount on the elite level. So you see this opportunity before the end of this month. So for Beyond Meat, guys, before we go further as well, remember our content always for educational purposes only. So as you can see here, guys, we've got an interesting accumulation zone for Beyond Meat. As long as we hold, as we said before, over the 78 would be really great for today. And of course, the level that we might have a first signaling for a reversal up, it is around this technical zone, as you see here, over the $1.20. But the main level is still around the $1.57, $1.56. If we broke this level, is me, we might have a squeeze again, because the last time we broke this level, we did 90%. And this time, if we broke, we might have 100% around the first the $2 and then the $3. Right now, as we said, we got a pullback because the market is a bit bearish. As you see here, for the market, everything is going down big time at the market open. So we're gonna have another update for Beyond Meat for tomorrow, of course, once the market open. For the time being, I'm watching AOI. It might pull back more today. We got Intel is correcting up because of great earnings. We got MXL the same, pull back down after a huge earning, a huge jump. So we're gonna discuss those stocks in depth by tomorrow before the market open, of course, on our Hunter channel. So make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And of course, see you all back by tomorrow, as usual, 30 minutes before the market open.